Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing, and today's video we will talk about the affiliate program of iHerb. So let me take you to the website, which is iHerb.com. Now, for the ones who don't know what is iHerb, iHerb is an online e-commerce platform that specializes in selling natural health products, supplements, vitamins, herbs, beauty products, and other nutritional supplements. It's a popular online retailer known for its extensive selection of natural and organic products from various brands. They serves customers worldwide and offers products in multiple languages and currencies. So if you are into health, then why not to come to the website, explore all these products, buy for yourself and your family members and your loved ones. You'll find the link to the website in the video description, or you can come to the website directly. But that's not exactly why we are here. Unless you want to buy something for yourself, that's a different story. We are here to earn money from iHerb. How can we do that? We simply have to join the affiliate program of iHerb, start promoting them to our audience, and when someone from our audience would make the purchase on their website, guess what? You'll get the commission. Is it really worth it? Let's look at the numbers. So currently they're standing at 1198 globally, and in their category they're standing at number 31. That's worldwide. That's so amazing, isn't it? If you look at the monthly visit, they got over 11 million monthly visit. So people already know them, they love them. So all you have to do simply promote the products of iHerb, and when the sales would happen, you'll get a commission. So let's talk about the affiliate program. For that, on the website, on the homepage iHerb.com, you can scroll till the bottom of the page until you see the footer section. Over here, you can click on affiliate program. When you do that, it will take you to the affiliate program page. Over here, you would be able to see the information like why join. You can click on competitive commission rates to see the commission rate. So they're currently providing 5% commission on all sales you refer. That's great. Then you can also read top global retailer section and all these things. And this also shows that they are part of these affiliate networks. They could be part of some, but could not be part of some. But here in this video, I'm going to show you in which network they are part of and how can you join the affiliate program. And if you scroll down, you would be able to see program FAQ. Now, this is very important. Any question, frequently asked questions that you might have, you can come here and you can read through this question to have a better understanding. I'm going to mention the link to this page in the video description as well. Just click on the link, come to this page directly if you want. Now, what are the requirements to join? So here you can say any publisher with a coupon site, loyalty site, content site, shopping comparison site, etc. can apply to the affiliate program. Then how do I earn commission? You can read. And then I'm an influencer. Can I join affiliate program? This is also great. So influencer means you might have a social media presence, like you might have a Facebook account, a YouTube account, or any social media account. Basically, can you be part of the affiliate program? Of course you can. So here they answer that there's something called iHerb rewards for influencers as well. You can explore that too, but the focus of this video is just the affiliate program. Then comes how do you reach out to them? So you can reach out to them at this email address anytime if you have a question in relation to the affiliate program. Now let's talk about joining the affiliate program. How can you join it? For that, you have to come to the website partnerize.com. Now, why Partnerize and what is Partnerize? So Partnerize is one of the top digital marketing companies out there, and they provide affiliate site as well. That means they're one of the affiliate, or rather top affiliate marketing network as well. Now, what is an affiliate marketing network? Affiliate marketing network works as a third party between brands and affiliates. So for affiliates to join the affiliate program of brands, they have to join the respective affiliate marketing network. So in our case, if you want to join the affiliate program of iHerb, then we have to join the affiliate network of Partnerize as an affiliate, and then we can apply to the affiliate program for iHerb. Now, how do you join Partnerize as an affiliate? For that, you can hover over partners, you can click on affiliates, and you would be able to see a link over there to create yourself a affiliate account. So here, join Partnerize, and then it will take you to the registration page. You can fill up the information to get yourself an affiliate account. Now, while you understand, there could be many things that you have to keep in mind when you would be creating an affiliate account with Partnerize. So don't you worry, I got you covered. I recently had created a video on how to create an affiliate account with Partnerize. You'll find the video link in the video description. Just click on the link, follow the instructions from there, and get yourself an affiliate account with Partnerize. Once you have the account, you can come to the website again, which is partnerize.com. Click on this avatar, which will take you to this page. Enter the username and password that you must have given when you were creating an account with Partnerize. Just check mark I'm human, click on login. that it will take you to something called affiliate dashboard. Now, this is a place where you would be able to interact with different brands out there. You would be able to find resources and promote them. But here in this video, we will only be talking about the affiliate program of iHerb. So to join the affiliate program of iHerb, click on campaigns, which will take you to this page. Over here, you would see your campaigns and commission. This is a section where you would see your approved affiliate programs. For me, all these affiliate programs are approved. That's why I'm seeing it here. In your case, you might not see anything in here, but that's all right. Just click on join campaigns, and on this side, write iHerb. When you do that, it will look something like this. See, I'm on join campaign section, and I have written iHerb. It's gonna take a few seconds to load up the affiliate program details. So once you see this iHerb, just simply click on iHerb in here, which will take you to the brand details page. Over here, you would see the contact email address you already had looked at. Then there's program details as well, the description, you can read through it. And you can then click on iHerb on the left-hand side. This is a hyperlink. When you click on it, you get to see even more information, more details like description, affiliate program highlights on the right-hand side. So you can read through it as well to understand. And then there's a commissioner as well, but we already have seen it on the affiliate program page of iHerb, isn't it? Then the important thing is view terms and condition. And should you click on view terms and condition and you read through it thoroughly, because there are some things that they don't allow. So ensure you read it and you abide by those policies. Now, how do you apply to the affiliate program of iHerb? Simply go to the previous page where we were looking at the program or rather brand details. So in here on the right hand side, to apply to the affiliate program, just tick mark this. You see, iHerb, and then you have to read the view terms and condition and tick mark this as well. And then simply click on join selected campaigns. When you do that, your application, so this is basically you applying to the affiliate program for iHerb. So your application to the iHerb affiliate program team would go. They will review whether you are a good fit for them or not. So whatever information or whatever website or your social media presence that you must have given while creating an affiliate account with Partnerize, they would see all those details and they would know whether you're a good fit for them or not. And based on that, they will give you the approval. So how much time would it take? It could take anywhere between a few days to a couple of weeks time. At any given moment, you can always reach out to this email address and inquire about your affiliate application that you have sent to them. Now, let's say you got the approval from them. How would you be notified of that? You will usually get an email for it. So this way you would know. Now, once you got the approval, you would be able to see them here on this section. Now, let's say you got approval. Can you promote them? No, you can't just take any link of their website and start promoting them. That's not how it works. You have to use your own tracking link, your own unique link. So to get yourself a tracking link for iHerb after getting the approval, you can click on tracking, which should take you to this section, and you would be able to find them in here after getting the approval. You simply have to click on their name when you find iHerb in here, and then over here, just take any link from their website, put the link in here, and you would see your tracking link in here. And there would be short URL shortener as well that you can use. So basically just take the link directly from here and start promoting them to your audience. So that's how you can generate tracking link. Now the question arises, where can you promote them or how can you promote them? Well, it's totally up to you. That's where your creativity comes into play. But still, I'm going to provide some basic answer here. So one of the best way to promote them is on any website or blog, because come on, we're human beings. We love natural stuff, isn't it? Who doesn't love organic stuff? I know sometimes it comes a bit with higher price, but still it's better for the health, isn't it? So it doesn't matter whatever kind of website you got. You could just put an advertisement on any side of the website, any section of the website. People might come to your website, and if they would love that the specific product of iHerb that you're promoting, they will buy the product and you'll get the commission. The other way is the blog, which I think would have upper hand than website, because on blog you could pick any product from iHerb, just literally whatever product that you like, and then write a blog post about it. This way you could write blog posts about 200 products of iHerb, and probably you'll have an amazing blog of yourself. So and at the end of each blog post, you can just mention your tracking link for that specific product on iHerb website. So this way, when someone would click on that link and would make the purchase, you'll be getting the commission out of it. Then comes your health and care website. So I think even this kind of website would be great, because come on, people do come to health and care website because to take care of health or they want to care for themselves, isn't it? So this kind of website could be very good. Probably you can create your own small section on of iHerb on your health and care website, just a small button. And when someone would click on iHerb button on your website, they would see all the products that iHerbs are providing, some sort of integration like that. Of course, you would require some technical knowledge to do it, or probably there are some tools available as well that you can explore and try to do it this way, and ensure all those products would have your tracking links integrated within, because if you try to promote iHerb without tracking links, it will not generate commission for you. Then comes social media. Now, I think social media could be the best here, because people do follow you on social media because they have a kind of trust in you. So you might want to promote the products that could be very good for your audience. And if they would be good, and since they trust you, they will buy the product that you're promoting. But you have to ensure that you only promote the products that really has meaning to it. iHerb has great amount of products. So pick the one that is good for you, for your audience. So this way you can generate more sales on your social media accounts. So this is how you can promote iHerb. There are many ways as well. Now, the other question is it all right to promote them on social media? Well, per their terms and condition, it seems like they're fine, but ensure you follow whatever instructions are there. That's why I say to read the terms and condition. Now, let's say you started promoting them, you started generating commission. Where would you see all those details? So for that, you have to come to your affiliate dashboard once again, affiliate dashboard with Partnerize, and over here you have to click on analytics, which will take you to this section. Over here, you would be able to see your performance, click, conversion, and everything. You see total order value and commission. So this is how you would know how much you have generated for iHerb or for other programs that you might be participating in. Now, how about the payment for it? So all the commission that will get generated in here, it will be paid by iHerb to Partnerize, and Partnerize will issue that commission to you. So for that, you can click on payments, this payment section, which will take you to this page. Over here, you would be able to see your pending commission. That means the commission which is yet to be reviewed by iHerb. So whatever commissions that will get generated, the brands like iHerb would be looking at it, would see whether it's been generated properly or not, with integrity or not. And once they find everything good enough, then they will approve it. You would see it in here, and then they would confirm it to you. And then if the brand, in our case iHerb, make the payment to Partnerize, you will see it available in here. Now, how do you get the payment out of Partnerize? That's the question. For that, you could go to payment settings. If you do that, it will take you to the payment settings page like this. Over here, you can look at bank accounts, and you can click on add bank account. And over here, you would have two options. So depending on your track currency selection, paid currency, and country selection, you can either choose from PayPal or electronic fund transfer. Now, for me, it's only showing PayPal because I haven't selected track currency, paid currency, or country. In your case, whatever combination you will select here, you could see it different. Either it could be PayPal, or it could be electronic fund transfer. It could be both. So you can select it accordingly here after selecting these three things, and then you can decide about auto sell bill or payment. So how would you like to receive the payment? Would you like to receive it like if you keep it to off, that means Partnerize will not issue commission to you unless you withdraw it yourself. If you remember, when we were looking at the payment section, there was a withdraw button, so you could request the money from Partnerize, and Partnerize will pay the money to you. If you set it to on, that means Partnerize will only issue the payment to you if these condition meets. So you could say, issue the payment to me once the threshold meet 500. So that means Partnerize will only issue the commission to you once your Partnerize affiliate account has accumulated the commission of $500. You can also set it like 2 times in a month. So Partnerize will only issue the payment to you 2 times in a month when it exceeds $500. So this is how you can set your conditions accordingly. And when you would click on continue, it will take you to the next page. If you would have selected electronic fund transfer here, it will ask you for banking details. If you would have selected PayPal, then it will ask you for the PayPal email address. So this is how you can set up your payment settings and start getting commissions for the sales you have brought to iHerb. And this brings us to the end of the video. And I hope the video was helpful to you and will help you in applying to the affiliate program of iHerb. For me, if you got any question related to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video on the affiliate program of any brand, do let me know in the comment section, and I'll try my best to create a video on it. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.